And this is the largest. Is that Accelerate Orange? Yeah, I believe that is. Oh, that's CTF. Okay. That's a captured test fleet Stingray. Huh. If you hadn't seen the Accelerate Orange, the best way I can describe it is, I was telling somebody it was almost like a sherbet, like orange sherbet almost, but with not enough orange in it. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah. Hypersonic gray. White with tinted blue. Is this blade silver or is it that the newer silver?
This is the new silver.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah, I believe this is ceramic matrix gray. Almost look white, but not quite. Yeah, but this is an insane amount of Corvettes. Yep, and I don't know if you can see that yet, but that's definitely ceramic matrix gray. Yeah, if you like white and you want something different, that would definitely be the way to go. Good old torch red. Accelerate yellow's kind of growing on me. What the hell that is? CO6. Yeah, that is a Sebring orange. It's definitely different. I wish they were parked next to each other. A lot better orange. I see why people are kind of mad about them changing the color. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that from the side, from my angle.